Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. If you're encountering the Apache shutdown unexpectedly error in XAMPP, it can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to get your local development environment up and running. Below is a detailed tutorial on how to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. Step 1. Understanding the error. The Apache shutdown unexpectedly message indicates that the Apache server, which is part of the XAMPP stack, has crashed or failed to start. This can be caused by various reasons, including port conflicts. Another application is using the port that Apache needs. Incorrect configuration in Apache's configuration files. Missing or corrupted dependencies. Insufficient permissions. Step 2. Check the Apache error log. The first step in troubleshooting is to check the Apache error log for more specific information. You can find the error log in the following directory. Open this file in a text editor to look for any error messages that might indicate what went wrong. Step 3. Common solutions. Here are some common solutions to fix the Apache shutdown unexpectedly error. 3.1 Check for port conflicts. Apache typically uses port 80 and /or 443. If another application is using these ports, like Skype, IIS, or another web server, you may encounter this error. 1. Find out what is using the port. Open a command prompt, CMD, and run the following command. If you see another application using port 80, note the PID, process ID. 2. Terminate the conflicting process. To terminate the application using the port, you can use replace PID with the actual PID you found earlier. 3. Change Apache ports. If you prefer to change Apache's listening port, open the httpd.conf file. Look for the line. Change it to. Additionally, change the line. 2. 3.2 Check configuration files. If there is a syntax error in your Apache configuration files, Apache may fail to start. 1. Check configuration syntax. Open the command prompt and navigate to the Apache bin directory. Run the following command to check the configuration. If there are syntax errors, they will be displayed in the command prompt. 2. Fix any errors. Open the corresponding configuration files, like httpd.conf or any included configuration files, and correct any errors. 3.3 Reinstall XAMPP. If none of the above solutions work, you may want to consider reinstalling XAMPP. 1. Backup your projects. Ensure that you backup your HiteDocs folder and any databases, using phpMyAdmin or miscldump. 2. Uninstall XAMPP. Use the uninstall feature or manually delete the XAMPP folder. 3. Download and install the latest version. Go to the official XAMPP website, https://www.apachefriends.org/index.html, and download the latest version. 4. Restore your projects. After installation, copy your backed up files back into the HiteDocs folder and import your databases. Step 4. Testing Apache. After applying the changes, try to start Apache again through the XAMPP control panel. If it starts successfully, you should see a green light next to Apache. Step 5. Final check. Open a web browser and navigate to http://localhost/ or the new port you configured, example http://localhost 8080/, to verify that your server is running properly. Conclusion. The Apache shutdown unexpectedly error in XAMPP can usually be resolved through a systematic approach of checking logs, resolving port conflicts, validating configurations, or reinstalling XAMPP. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to get your Apache server running smoothly again. If you encounter further issues, consulting the XAMPP community forums or documentation may provide additional insights.